Hey guys, it's Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great Thursday so far. We're going out to check out a brand new listing, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, tile roof, garage, boat parking, huge lot. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 1646 Papago Drive. This is a pretty central location. Right down the street is Lake Havasu Avenue. If you're familiar with Lake Havasu, that's where the Hastings building is, or used to be. All nice houses around. It could be a little bit of a busy street maybe. You know, this will take you up to Acoma. Vacant lots for sale across the street. Let's go check it out. So you got a good amount of side access RV parking. It's about 15, 16 feet wide. It's got a nice little landscaped yard and front entry. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2003, 1,562 square feet, only used as a vacation home. They are the original owners. It's got a nice fireplace, can lighting, slider out to the backyard. This does have the vaulted ceiling, split floor plan, front open kitchen. It's got a nice eat-at counter, little dining area in the back. Looks like it has a trash compactor and a pantry. All right, so you have the master suite over here behind the kitchen. Vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan. Open master bath. Dual vanities. Skylights. This is all natural light you're seeing. Have your walk-in closet. Have your walk-in shower. All right, let's go look at the other side of the house. So you have the guest bath. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. It's a pretty standard setup. They have an old picture on the wall, and I want to say I was there for sure. Little TV on the wall, glass slider to the closet. Bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. A little sandbar picture from Memorial Day 1997. Who else remembers that? This does not occur anymore. So you have the laundry, indoor laundry right behind the kitchen, and that is the garage door we're going to go check out. All right, so they have a 36.6 foot deep garage bay. It's a 3-car total. Have all your RO, water heater, soft water, little utility sink. Also has a man door out to the back, where I'm sure somebody's going to put a pool in this giant yard we're going to go check out right now. And these are 8-foot doors, by the way, not your standard 7-foot. All right, so this is the back patio, and this home sits on a huge 18,295 square foot lot, which is almost a double lot, almost a half acre. So you can do a lot back here. You could probably put another garage back here, or you can extend the existing garage. You can put a pool, you can build a casita. The options are pretty endless with a lot this size. So you would need to fence or wall the property, of course, if you wanted to put a pool in. All right, guys, it's Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Papago. If you guys have any questions or if there's anything I can do to help, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. Also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can see all the original listing pictures, current price, and all that. Always feel free to share this with friends or comment and give me your opinion. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.